Time to thread a 158.330. It's a Kenmore Model 33. It's got zigzag and a blind stitch built in. This is the zigzag width control, and then there's a lock nut here so you can turn and lock the width of the zigzag, and then if you loosen the lock nut, then the zigzag can spring down to 0 for a straight stitch. The big stitch length paddle here. It's a side load class 15. The winder here has a big flipper to engage it. Bobbin winding button, so for winding you bring your thread, loop it here onto the winder. Standard clutch nut in the hand wheel, and our class 15 bobbin case. Pops down in the side. To thread the machine, it's got thread guide on the back, thread guide on the front. Thread goes around, comes up under that spring, back under this finger, and then goes through our take-up arm. And then it's got a pigtail, another pigtail. Let me get down far enough to do this. And then it's got a guide on the needle bar clamp, and it threads from the outside in. Apparently this is a morning I'm not gonna, there we go, be able to thread quick.